Hello friends, I am Rasmi Patel. Today we learn class 9 Sanskrit. Today we learn second chapter Kulasya Achara, family tradition. Kulasya means family, Achar means tradition. Kulasya Achar. First we read the first paragraph and after we translate it in English. Okay, the first paragraph is एकः चाटकः शिशुः आसीत् स एकदा तृष्या पीडितः जनन्याः समीपं वदति च अम्ब तृषा मा पीडयति अहं जलं पातुम् इच्छामि सम्प्रति मेघजलं न मिलति अतः तडागजलमेव पातुम् इच्छामि जननी वदति बाल वयं तु मेघजलम् एवं पिबामः तडागजलं न पिबामः एषः अस्माकं कुलस्य आचारः अतः त्वं तडागजलं पातुं न शक्नोषि इति. Okay, the first paragraph we read. First, I read one by one sentence and it's translated in English. I explain your difficult meaning and ask you a meaning of hard words, difficult words. Okay. एकः चाटकः शिशु आसीत्. एकः one. Okay, चाटकः शिशु means a child. Okay, छोटा सा बच्चा होना है. देखो, a young one of the chatka, asita is the past tense, so we use helping of past tense was. There was a young one of the chataka. There was a young one of the chataka. स एकदा तृष्या पीडितः जनन्या समीपं वदति च. वदति means speak. Okay, otherwise say, use say. Okay, ekada once. Okay. Jananya mother. Trusya means thirsty. Okay, the one he being affected by thirst goes to mother and said samipam goes. Amba means mother. Trusa ma pidayati, I am thirsty. Trusa, once again words. Trusa, thirsty. I am thirsty. Aham jalam patum ichhami. Jalam, water. Okay, patum, drink. Ichhami, wish. I wish to drink water. Samaprati meghajalam na milati अतः तडागजलम पातुम् इच्छामि. Samaprati. Okay, now samaprati, now meghajalam means rainwater. Okay, rainwater na milati. Okay, not available. Not milati available. Now the rainwater is not available. Now the rainwater is not available. So tadagjalemeva patum ichhami. Tadagjalema means the water of lake water. The water of lake. Patum, drink. Ichhami, wish. I wish to drink the water of lake. Now the rainwater is not available. So I wish to drink the water of lake. Janani vadati means say. Janani means mother says bala means child. Vayam tu meghajalam evam pidami. Vayam, we, meghajalam, rainwater, pibam, drink. child, but we drink only the rainwater. We drink only the rainwater. Tadak jalam na pibamo. Tadak jalam, the water of lake. Okay, we drink only the rainwater. We don't drink the water of lake. We don't drink the water of lake. Esa asmakam kulasya achara. Esa this is our asmakam, our kulasya achara. This is the our lesson title. Okay, kulasya achara. This is our family tradition. This is our family tradition. इधर वाइज आप आपका यूज करके लिखना चाहते हो द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ आवर फैमिली. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन. अट सो त्वम तडाक जलम पाप्तुम न शक्नोसि इति. ओके, कैन नॉट, शक्नोसि, कैन नॉट. न मीन्स न शक्नोसि मीन्स कैन नॉट. पाटुम ड्रिंक द वाटर ऑफ लेक. So you cannot, twam, you cannot drink the water of the lake. You cannot drink the water of lake. Here our first paragraph is completed here. Next paragraph, I read next paragraph. Chatak sisu kathayati amba mahati me trusa adunam akase megha न पश्यामि कदा मेघः वर्षयति कदाच अहम मेघजलं पातुं शक्नोमि इति न जानामि. अतः तृष्या पीडितोऽहं तडागजलं पातुं गच्छामि. चाटक शिशु कथयति. The young one of the chatka, chatak शिशु. We use here the young one chatka. Kathati says. Kathati means says. Amba means mother. Amba means mother. Mahati means trusa. Mahati means very. Trusa means thirst. Okay. I am very thirsty. I am very thirsty. Adhuna akase meghaman na pashyami. Pashyami means see. Meghanam means cloud. Akase means sky. Adhuna means now. Now I don't see. Now I don't see the cloud in the sky. I don't see cloud in the sky. Kada megah varsyanti kadacha aham meghajalam patum shakyomi. Kada. Okay. When. Kada when varsyanti rainfall. Okay. Shower. Cloud will shower. Megajala rainwater. Patum drink. Shaknasi means can. Yeah, will use कर सकते हो. Okay. So I don't know. इतिम न जानामि. Okay, इतिम न जानामि हम फर्स्ट ले लेते हैं. तो इतिम न जानामि. I don't know. I don't know when. I don't know kada when the cloud will shower. The cloud will shower. When the rain falls. When the rain will rain falls. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं या फिर when the cloud will shower and when I will be able to drink the rainwater. Okay. First again I read whole sentence. I don't know. Listen carefully. I don't know when the cloud water will shower. Okay, cloud water will shower. The cloud will shower and when I will be able to drink the rainwater. Atah so Trusya पीडितोहम तडाग जलम पातुं गच्छामि. So Trusya means thirst. Pidito aham drink. Aham divided into two parts. This word is divided in two parts. Aham and pidito. And tadak jalam. means lake water, patum string, gachami means go. So being affected by thirsty, so I affected, pidita affected, okay. So being affected by thirst, I am going, gachami going, okay. So being affected by thirst, I am going to the lake water to drink, okay. Second paragraph is completed here. Next, third paragraph we show it. I read first third paragraph. जननी पुनरपि चाटक शिशु बोधयति बाल न अयम अस्माक कुलाचार कुलाचार सदैव रक्षित्व्यः एव अत त्वं तडागजलं पातुं न अर्हसि तृषया सहन कृत्वा मेघस्य प्रतीक्षां कर्तुम् अर्हसि त्वं जननी पुनरपि चाटक शिशु बोधयति पुनरपि again, जननी mother again advise बोधयति advise the young one chatka, the young one of the chatka. The janani again advised the young one of chatka, bala child na ayam asmaka kulachara, this is not our family, asmaka kulachara family tradition, this is not our family tradition. कुलाचार सदैव रक्षयति एव रक्षयति pursue protect pursue, okay. The family tradition kulachara, the family tradition has to be pursued sadeva always, okay. The family tradition has to be pursued. At त्वं तडागजलं पातुं न अर्हसि त्वं, so त्वं you तडागजल lake water, पातुं again drink, अर्हसि, okay. So you had better to drink the water of lake, you should not drink the water of lake. Okay, so you had better not drink the water of lake. तृषया सहन कृत्वा मेघस्य प्रतीक्षां कर्तुम् अर्हसि त्वं, तृषया सहन, okay, should bear, okay, sahanam bear, you should bear with the thirst, tृषया you should bear the thirst, and मेघस्य प्रतीक्षा, pratiksha means wait, meghasya means the rain, kutam ahasitvam, to wait for the rain water. So I speak again whole sentence, okay. You should bear with the thirst and wait for the cloud, wait for the rain water. Next paragraph I read again. जनन्याः कथनम् अश्रुत्वा चाटक शिशु तडागजलं पातुं तडागगन्तुं निगच्छति मार्गे परिश्रान्त स यदा एकस्य कृशस्य गृहस्य समीपे तिष्ठति तदा टाटपुत्रयो वार्तालापं शृणोति, okay. जनन्या मदर कथम अश्रुत्वा, not here, okay, not paying heed to mother's advice, okay. Tadagjalam patum tadaga gantu niharti, not paying to mother's advice. The young chatka exists, निकल जाना, तो exist to go to the lake water. मार्गे परिश्रांत स यदा एकस्य कृशस्य गृह समीपे, तो ऑन द वे मार्गेस्य On the way, when being tired, he. कृष्यस्य गृहस्य परिश्रांत, ओके, टायर्ड से थके जाना, ओके। तो when being tired he stand farmers. कृष्यस्य means farmer and गृहस्य means house. When being tired he stands near a farmer house. Stand samipyam, near the farmer house. Tada, when, comma कर दो, when Tata Putro Vatalapa Shruti. Tata Putra means father, Putra means son. Vatalapa means conversation. He hears the conversation of the father and son. Okay, I speak the whole sentence. On the way when he tired, he stands near a farmer house. He stands near the farmer house. He hears the conversation of the father and son. Okay, so I completed this lesson on in next video. So we stop here. If you know, if